umushugana sa program de Boaz tumwesije iraka ntwenda guma taira za district zitu n'indijo myanya turebe uko buhereza buri kugenda mbonu erizoba ntwenda iraka kuhereza abanyantungamo district ya Ntungamo district ya Kareba ntumwe ekatandika muri wenda 93 so nimwe za district ezakare kandi mpango kandi zamani abokuba president no wabanagamba byatumitu Ntungamo na chairperson wa NRM ahabwa Ntungamo no honorable Janet Kataha 7 bweno reba district ejine yamani kandi ne yatana na Rwanda bweno na mwatano so ne district yamani niyo twenda kugamba nabo ahanshonga ya trade order obutebekana omishuburo mu kushubura ibiro byahwire tukareba government neragaye kugira ngo endembo zitu obutabona bwitu kabwasisikara buri muntu nakora hiyayenda kandi ushanga hari hishomero harbajaro fuel station mwana cyo fuel station kwe kwatwa umuriro abana batabakufa mboye no government yajya mukatteho buteka ande tungukayona hine okweteganisa bamwe kandi umwe ekatereza abandi nangu nabandi bakagisima ho bwanyuma konkano mare ntunguka kweba nebaho na munonga haraho policy change umwe oshanga yabanka immunization kumwana bamuteresha katu akarra kongancha kare akaba kurwara polio mbeno okwetegereza enshonga ya trade order omuri Ntungamo na munonga municipal ya Ntungamo twine mukuru w'abakozi ahabwa district ya Ntungamo umwete kawo niwe mukuru w'emirimo omukuru Fidelis Chiza nomushija nubwo yatanaka kwamya so akina manage narebekaje kawo Fidelis twakwashira program yetu eiraka twine town clerk ahabwa Ntungamo municipal nare municipality omukuru Mukobi Silverio ubwo niwe mukuru w'emirimo no accounting officer wa municipal gisoye byabire Ntungamo byo no municipal akana bimanya mbeno yabyari chief implementer kungati na mukuru w'entebe yakatana abwa district ya Ntungamo Austin Sam Chungu Sam rwa Kigoba Sarongo ariyo munjoro ya kabiri itayine nshonga yone kuruga kutunga tamu ya kabiri Uganda hatekaguma Uganda mbakurozaho bakwentebe myaka 5 bakwe kumwe Sam ni bintu kutabarsya ugaraka kusinga akaruraka mbene nyenda buri muntu watwarede kikemwe kuramusya abaturire zakutandika na town clerk ramusya abakutureba aha Tayari West.
Okay, thank you very much our host for this session. As I have already been introduced, once again my name is Mukobi Silverio Vyarufu. I am the town clerk of Ntungamo Municipal Council. I have been in the municipality for the last one financial year, having been transferred from Bushenyi Shaka municipality. I am happy to be hosted on this program, and we shall share about trade order.
Good to have you. Kao abantu baturamukize abakurura moro
abakutureba kandi abaturikize musibire kurungi zina nko kuba bagambire and Fidelis Chiza Chief Administrative Officer abo Ntungamo District Local Government obanyankore bakumanya nkadisi nishaba abakutureba baturebe bateje amatu tubashoborere ahabwa ki government etire ensira ahakuteka ebyo bushobozi omu order nko kuba kugeta trade order.
Chairman Sam ngoko benje bakwita
wabare munonga Boazi tumwisije kandi kambanze ndamusye weno rukutureba aha Tayari West kandi mugene ngo bizoba ekiriyo mwabazi yo gutyo nza kubantu ganiraho reka tuganire ahanshonga ekwasara ha muntu waburisho tuje turebe trade order nanga okuteka ibyo bushubuzo mu buryo bushikere hamwe na nebizo ibyakuba byisa kwa birumu anokutwa kwasa kubugonjora iyo bare iyo kutureba yabare kutureba
mwebare abashatu kuna kutandukana kao umwami Fidelis trade order ni manyisa cyo mu rurimi rw'umuntu akwitegereza government kandi igezaho gukora iki nare mu bintu gukora iki
kubanza twaza kwitegereza trade order ine kubanza kumanya abwa government neteka ho order trade order neruga ahi government iri kuranzya nk'ihanga ihanga rya Uganda twine turi kweta vision 2040 ejini vision y'emyaka 30 itwe nk'ihanga nitwenda tuyerebe turingaye hati age vision neza eturetera okugira ngo tugire bitwakora nk'ihanga hati twine plan ubwa hati ya tu implementinga turi kweta National Development Plan 4 hati age plan ne tugira ngo economy ninga ebyentasi by'ihanga bitungukire kimwe nangwa hati ntugamba kuruga aha 50 billion US dollars to 500 billion US dollars. So okushyikiriza iki tokashyikiriza waba otatireho emirimo n'emitendero eyo kureba ngo ebyentasi by'ihanga byayeyongera hati ebyentasi by'ihanga no byongerota haba hariho disorder omu by'obushobozi n'ekyamazima abantu bonu bandi barebe ebintu nibigenda konka abakurangiza ihanga nibo banu bareba ngo entasi nko turi kwenda ngo ekurakurane ninge tunguke tiyo speed turi kugenderaho nimpa ecyo kureberaho nka abakucera kuzo mu town nka waza wandegeya aho traffic lights nka byarara uko zapiti zuri kubana zetorura wawa ikanka hagati n'ebigere no basa kwetera hansi ubwo cyumura hati ejo disorder akwakavu yako akakuba aha bitara hati nico turi kugira ngo ningerageranisa trade order nk'ebitara bya economy so turi kureka abantu bagumana bashubura nko kubaturira bashubura hati nico kireke nagambe cya wandegeya aha bitara ejo confusion yona so okurwanisa confusion no kutekaho order ekingwenda kumanyisa abakutureba ebi turi kugamba ninga ebi mwahurire trade order tikintu kisi hina babenu babuza ngo bishi ngo abwaki ngo batabitiro ku abwaki no tuyine amateka gatwiro tuyine Trading Licensing Act eriteka eriyo by'ubushubuzi neraragira buri muntu wena uri kuza kwejumbira mu mugo bushubuzi kutungorsa orusa akaruhebwa authority akashubura mu mwanya oguragirirwe kandi akashuburamo ikintu ekiragirirwe nkoku amateka go mwanya ogo garukubana garagira okuragira ko amateka go mwanya ogo nabwo hariho kiragiro eyo turi kweta Physical Planning Act hateri iteka nirigira ngo waza kugira ecyo wakorera umururembo no mwihanga ryona oshemerewe kuba oyine plan. It is a planning area across the country. So now echi permanent secretary na government batwandikira mu kwezi kwa kashatu bakugira ngo no there should be order ebabire batushaba no kutwizusya nkihanga kugira ngo hati ebitara birire therefore mu bigarureho hati tutandike kureba ihanga mu byo bushubuzi niritambara kurungi ubwo twana twenda kwikiriza kireke nagamba echo kugira ngo by 2040 buri muntu wena umwihanga ya Uganda abe atachikorerenda abe nakorera entasi na ni economy yitebe yagurowingire yarugire aha billion zezo nagamba kwika aha $500 billion.
Okay.
Yes.
And ku ebarahayezere ku ministry kuyazo mu districts kubagambira muteho buteka umukushobora mu batabono kumwaganira muna abembezi ba kansara ba chairman kasamu no maraba mamba tekateka munonga habonwa wabandi bakaba hemukono what was their take kumwaize mutwaza kutandaka
echo kubanza itwe nko muntunga mu district nyenda kusima leaders bitu elected leaders political leaders kutwatungire sacura twatandika kugiteko mu nkora twikirizana nabo actually tukabanza twaba consultinga twabi discussinga bikiriza bajya mu you go ahead twatandika gukora implementation.
Okay.
Kandi implementation omukugikora tiene omuntu wena owara twazira mukono ahabwo kuba kutwashitamire nkantungamu turuku kwatsana nabebembezi bitu twikirizana ngo echo kubanza abantu mubanze mubashomese nico rukurebera ntungamo tukakererwaho kake okugiteko mu nkora tukabanza twayegesa abantu bayitegereza ahabwaki turiyo tugira ngo kora abo twire no guriza aha urujeho uze kuguriza hari kora abo twire no ukora business etine license orekera aho ugende bakwereza license utandike kushora umushoro wa government okuba twabagambira oburungi oburi omukintecho okuba nka wabora banka streets zitu especially town crack na isha kuvuga mu municipality okoshanga umuntu ayine pharmacy urukwija kugura umbaza ati naho kuparking hari haba kuguza imineke hari haba kuguza buri kimwe cyona and that kind of disorder ushanga uriyo wa pharmacy yaburana ne sente zo kushashura mukama w'ekizinga and so abantu bona bakakijwa kukira kandi nangwa ababanze kuresistinga kubahereze bayetegereza hati nke town ze nyinji abantu bakiye kure wazanyamukana taruho kubagema nyakera abantu bariyo nibashenya wiringire rwashamire so ekikuru town clerks bitu nibagenda bamakinga bereka abantu babagaidinga ekiriyo mu order ekikiri kiti mukitereze muti and so the community and leaders bona bakikirize kandi bareba uburungi bwa trade order.
Yebara mnonga turi mu program iraka hano ya Tayari West ntuganiraho nabembeze bantungamo aha butebekana kushobora icyo kweta trade order birebe niyo ehangire nangwa bamwe bakambatekateka trade order neza kuguma abo kuba ihangere taha abantu b'umuntu nakora cyari kwenda kunka government yizire ngo no tuteko kugera Damascus point tuterezemo town clerk Silveri abantu municipal yawe abaye batari mbuteka abo watira mbuteka kuiho mwanya kutomugundi nabahikwa kubatera nko mu categories.
Okay, thank you very much. Maybe before I can directly respond to the issue that you are raising, listeners, you will bear with me, my Runyangole is poor, so you allow me use our common language, English. But I hope with the advent of UPE, most people can be able to listen and understand me. There is one thing I wanted to first comment about with regard to our responsibility as urban authorities in general. Many times when I move around town and I'm talking about anything, people believe that the municipality want the revenue. The municipality want the revenue. The municipality want the revenue. But I wanted to state that our role and responsibility as an urban council is not only to collect revenue. That is very, very secondary. If you read the law as Kao has cited, but also the Local Governments Act, it gives us so many functions. But if you read those functions, you find some common words. Provide, we must provide services. Education, agricultural, health, and so many other things. Regulate or restrict, we can say, let this one be here, let this one be somewhere else. And so many other functions. But all these are done to improve the livelihoods of the people, of the urban dwellers. Because if you must live comfortably in a town, you must earn. In a town, there is no free service. Every service is paid for. So all that we do as urban authorities is to ensure that really we improve the livelihoods of the urban communities. Now, in so doing, we do so many things. We plan the town, as Kao has indicated. The municipality has a physical development plan. On that plan,
a 5-year one?
No, it's 15 years.
Oh.
Yes, it go for us. Ours was 2018. It will take us up to 2033.
Okay.
But in between, you can review.
Okay.
The law provides for that. So we plan, and on that plan, we provide various land uses, so that the land is organized in a manner that if you come to develop, Your toilet should never face my sitting room.
My
Your toilet should
not-
never face my sitting room. That would be an inconvenience. Your kitchen should never face my sitting room. That would be an inconvenience. If you are playing music, it should never affect my business. That would be an inconvenience. So, as a municipality or as urban authorities, we do that, regulate and do so many other, or provide so many other functions. Of course, as Kawi indicated, the law has been there and we have been implementing the law. But specifically, government took note of a deteriorating situation in our urban councils, where people were doing business unregulated,
As and when they please.
as and when they want to do so. I want to give you an example. In my municipality, every time you would wake up in the morning and walk along our streets, you would come across over 200 charcoal stoves lit on the streets, everyone making chikomando, another one making chapatis, another one making Rolex, and so many other things. And I used to ask myself, but what if a trailer or a fuel tanker slid off the road and caught fire? What would happen? And all those, by the way, in case they happen, the municipal council or the urban authority becomes responsible. Not even blamed, it becomes responsible, because that is within the mandate of the authority to prevent through regulation. So trade order came in to remind us that you authorities, there are certain things which you must also do better. Reorganize the towns so that you make the towns very, very attractive, livable, so that people can enjoy staying in town while improving their livelihoods. So having given that background, I will request you to repeat your first question again.
Nanimbuza
Yes.
abakutureba town clerk anashobora background abenshi abembezi baro nkaba municipal gukora regulation kutaho gutebekana, but nanimbuza nti nabantu ki abaye batari mbuteko mu municipal ijyantungamo abihirwa umwanya kuza umugundi.
Okay. I must say most people have been affected. It's not just one category of individuals that has been affected. Many people have been affected by the implementation of the trade order directives. Like I had mentioned, we had so many people operating this business of making chikomando on the street. I even mentioned about 200. My first interaction with them, actually, after I had come here, I said, this is not right. They said, but town clerk, where else do you want us to go? At one point, they decided to say, can we regulate so that we are able to open at 3 or 4? And then we give you time to work up to midnight. They said it wasn't possible. So that one was actually one of the biggest categories of people that were affected. Our chapati. People who were selling who were roasting meat, gonja and the like. On that junction to Mirama Hills, you would see them very many. They would come. By morning, actually, they would still be there. But above all, if we went there in the morning, you would find those who roasted matoke, those who roasted maize, all the waste is there. And the place was filthy.
Okay.
So that category was affected. The third category were those who were vending food, including those who sell mbogoyas and yellow bananas, mbogoyas, onions, and all these other things. They were also concentrated around that junction to Mirama Hills. That category was also affected in a way. There was another category of traders themselves who are informal businesses. But like Kau indicated, you would find someone who has a shop inside a building, but his display goes from his shop up to the main road.
Oh.
So you find someone who has, for instance, his shop is located in between. His pharmacy or drug shop is located in between two general merchandise shops. Now, the general merchandise shops, the merchandise is extended up to the road. The other one has also extended up to the road. Now, this one operating a drug shop or a pharmacy, for him, he cannot display because his business doesn't allow that. So now, for you to park here and find parking and go to a to a drug shop
Pharmacy.
was very, very difficult.
Okay.
So that used to happen on all the streets of Ntungamo.
So
And-
abaguriza mabaraza.
Yes, all those.
Okay.
Then of course the other category were those who were operating businesses in areas which are not suitable for those businesses. Like I will give you an example of those selling coffins.
Naguze shandushi.
You found them, they were so many existed on this high street. So many. You find here there is a shop of clothes, here there is a display of coffins, the other side is a restaurant and the like. Automatically, all those who had businesses which were not compatible with the general environment where they were operating were also affected.
Thank you.
Because coffins, really, do you need to have them on the high street?
Abaguza.
Their demand is dictated by a certain situation somewhere. And therefore, when that situation happens,
You will,
people will come and
as a
look for a
must to
coffin.
go and look for them.
For a coffin, wherever they are. That was also another category. Of course, we also had the transporters who were parking on the streets anyhow, and all these, the transporters basically, they were also affected. Then there was another category, actually, the garages,
Abamakanika.
mechanical, who were operating in makeshift structures and others in containers. They were also affected.
Okay.
So the effect has been broad,
Okay.
but I think at a later time I can explain how we have gone about it.
Okay. Ntakagire washyama Sam. Kao. Abantu abakumwa bihiro mu myanya n'abatari mu municipality maybe mutano councils ahandi. Mukabonaho kubata bashangayo amazing bashangayo toilets. Did you care about ahibaza no kubarakore? Narimo kumwabihira mutakubenda ibyasigara buri mwana agira nyina.
buri tawuni hine okuyatebekanisa abantu bayo. So you cannot generalize nichurugira a situation. Kuba if I can give a scenario nke ya Rubare Town Council, kuba bihire aha street ahi babire bari babona umwanya aho Kereziya naha muzigiti babantu ho baza gukorera ibyo bushobozi byabo. In fact ahi bagireho harimo wasefa ukuba in terms of sanitation hati yukuri hariyo ebuhoronyo hariyo ahi bakubasa kweyambira unlike ahi babintu bakorera hatari kubasa kubona ibyo kukozesa and many others. Yeah.
Chairman Sam, nimanya kubatanukire trade order kushenya kufurura abantu bakaba kutera chairman twakaruru chairman eduka yanje chairman cyombeko cyanje embere byo ukagishangota nkwiyoreserwa abantu wa these two can be transferred.
webare mwana wanje Bowazi kandi sime na tayari kureba ngo ubuzimazima umuramwa yagure tumbwire burungi. Icyo kubanza cyabyona niza kuja kwa background age trade order mutagira ngo itandikire rizoba age trade order emyaka 15 nyuma nubwo yabishimiye kuba nebaho aho abantu bingi barebire kintu cyagira cyatahamu age trade order ekatahamu obwire obu habaho act of parliament Kampala yahinduka capital city Authority
2010-2011
bareta omukyara oba kweta Jennifer Musisi. I remember obo bwire nanye nkanye ne mutwano twanje so nkankira gamba n'abantu bahigura abo. Therefore when Honorable Frank Atumuyabaze actually Minister wa Presidency and Kampala, that's the time when the trade order obuyabeshemeye kuba neba countrywide in a phased manner, starting with Kampala, then bakatandika bakagenda municipalities, and the municipalities ezo bashemeye kuba batandika nazo ekabera Fort Portal City, Fort Portal municipality by then, Mbarara municipality and Mbare municipality. Konka, you know, the president of this country is tolerant.
N'umunyambabazi
yajya ati mbwenu mbe muzire muta mbe muborekere reka tubanze tubekanise Kampala konka the politics of the land, politics zitu itoba politicians nore haturu mu kigambo tubageresta tubaremese. So kucyabe kibancyenda kwimuka tinguza kusubiza mu munonga kucyabe kibancyenda kwimuka uwabera shemeye kuba na implementing na kansi yashemeye kuba ne implementing
rukwago yabarukwago
ekaneremesa Nora nyono tanaenda gamba mazina naenda ekanegera ki ekaneremesa. So mwene kintu cyaguma kigenda mpora mpora then habaho na creation of cities. Hati zitu izabeneza ndakutandika kuija kuba kukora the trade order hati zija zabaki zaba cities. Mbwene hato bwiro bukijiremo itonka politicians kizire turyo mu karuru kandi obukisha twamara tutakaruru omukoko banza kituyo nikigenda itwe twagira twakikirizamo. To me hata nka chairman wa Ntungamo district local government, it is a blessing in disguise. Ahabwe nshongeje cyoko banza cyabyona mwena numumanya mbu hatika tuzo mu hygiene health wise numumanya ngo abantu aba babire bine obu container nango buntu bwono bine babe batine ahantu ho kweshemereza. Numumanya ngo abantu aba neba Mbarara neba Mbare neba Masaka neba Ntungamo neba Kabare neba Nkahi bona ninza kukigambo mu Runyankore omukavera batekera yes rijika kigambeje omukavera mu budeya batekera mu budeya bagira umurro gugumamo na nebingi hareta nebimwe amataho nagandi okusya mbenu konka hati obwire hatabireho ekiba kweta obuteka koko bano genda rukumo rwenda nkaga Jakarta etaho nejo Jakarta that's
Indonesia.
That's Indonesia. Indonesia ekaberu kubi kuchira nitongo kutube tuzerta kubi konka at the by then president kwiye mukire yagira ati now Jakarta reka ngambe na me ya worembo Jakarta hikire na nenyanja enyanje kerumwe ibintu ngibyo byone fa kubena bihabura kimwe cyona kuko wakuza Fort Portal kareba okuba bene bakwatovera nubabunaga omuri Mpanga River nkoko kureba omuri Ntungamo Arizona nyine chairman Ben twanturambura town yitu okureba obuvera na nebusaniko na nebintu byona biyone bigenda omuri Kachingora wetland gona efa kubi byona buri kimwe cyona bizidenta byona birumu hati ibyo nibyo bintu ebikuretera environment yitu nanga umwanya gwito gutukuramo gwanuka cyo cyo kubanza hona ho kubeno tambura obeno shanga umwanya ngunuka ozarubare ushanga umwanya ngunuka excuse me oza Ntungamo nico cumu eki kintu kikatuyamba kugira ngo hati emyanya yitu te kugira ki te kunuka munonga za Rwashamiri za Rubare za Nyamunuka za omuryeje myanya yona noza kushanga at least ekyo nuko cyabe kirumu kikagenda nkigira ki nkicende.
Now ntumanya municipality yantungamo ntumanya town councils konka haro bundu butawuni akacwampare omukarejero naho abantu bari mbombeka kubi naho abantu mbasika capati bavugira boda hi babona okwe trade order ne kwikayo ryari
nko kuna nagambire trade order neyema amateka gihanga kandi umunyarwanda wena ine kumanya ngo ihanga ryitu rya Uganda riyona riri gazetted as a planning area so twabana tukwata omusite omunicipality town councils turiyo nutwereka abanyimakuriya kugira ngo at least kibaraze gukora obwiro bwa hati bakikorera mu plan tutakagaruka kandi tukija kureta za X zira turi kujya turi kuza kushenya mwenu ejo neba uryo muringo go kwereka kugira ngo tutakakora nkaka hararo mu trade order abantu bamwe binomuze go kumanya ngo ikintu kizakubaho kikomobwe rero abantu bagaruka mu kindi. This one is not going to stop here.
Nito ngo tukumanya
hate iki kikuza kukureka mwenu ukora abe numanya ngo bakakwiho umwanya urugemu planning ekikira ahabo kwa twareba ngo ebirungi byona ebiri omu eki ni byinji munonga chairman ebyinji yayabigambireho ebinji nko twagambire tine okuturu kubasa ku developinga economy twana tukorera omu kintu kitakututahiza ahabo kuba as business zona ezakuriya no mu bucamparo bwo rukugamba nitwenda ngo waza kujukora obenu bamanyo business yo gukora ebo ogihandikise kandi ubo yine license yo kujukora ahabo kuba hari binde ebe license eri kutanga eco kureberaho to kubasa kwimuka ukaza samu yangu nakatwampare ukatandika kuguriza omubazi gw'abantu omukatare omumbuga ukagwanika ukasibana guterwa umushana ngo abo kugira ngo nakatwampare so eji ne sign yo kwereka abantu kugira ngo really nko munya Uganda nko munyantungamo niwe urebe ngo wakikunda wakisima wacemerwamo kuri ngo hariho order ahubwo kuba government beneferwa bintu bingi indirectly tutarukumanya ngo nibiretwa effects za ebe byo mu town ahubwo kuba chairman yanagamba ko kwata obubi wabushuka omufurege guri kushuma bukaza hariya nanka katinda ukagumiza mukashuma ukakwata mu rufuha hatu no warwaza line yona abantu ndwara abakakurwe na nura rwicino kakuruka funjomira town council na n'abanyarwanda bari innocent na n'abanyatanzania abakusharinga akagera so the smallest town mu district ya Ntungamo nitwenda mu order
kawo wagira ngo abantu bakore bombeke mu buryo burwe bayibuza abo bushoborozi abantu bundi bakayenzire aronde plan konka plan yo ne yazingaye as fees kwetenga kukora mboteka are they not prohibitive
ekitwerekerera hatiya government kwe kwija erete kigaruke erete kindi hati nkantunga mu district tushaziremo kugira ngo turebe ngo buri muntu mugona ogwina kakwate na development yihanga na district waba field so ati nkahingugambira burugombora yite yantungamenye no we gombora buri town council ine town clerk next week ntuzakuba twine burumuruka gwino wo muruka hati mbere ninkora weje analysis nitwenda ngo tushabe tu recruiting as town council zituzona zitunge physical planners so kuturi kwa twine physical planners twine physical planning committees ziri gukora umurumo gwazo hati abantu nubo akabari kuriya peripheral areas nubo yakubatakozere a standard plan but at least bamuguiding babe baruho uwo muruka yareba nayombeka mu byatunga ejenje yo kwenda kombeka kuruga ahanzu kwika aharuguto ushimira kubusigirira mitaziti so wakireba so no turabe tutakabwine resources zo kugira ngo to developing a physical plan zemyanya yitu konka at least tube twina abakozi ba government abakuguiding abantu informale batari kubiba batari kubateganisa kureka bakubaguidinga ngo bakore ku ba planning omungeru eri kugenda n'amateka.
Program yetu ni Iraka hano at Tayari West kandi tuine abembezi bantungamo mukuru w'intebe ya gatano omwami Sam Mucunguzi Rwakigoba Sarongo nyine kawo wantungamo omukuru Fidelis Chiza hamwe na town clerk ahabwa ntunga mu municipal omukuru Mukobi Silvario ahabwa abantu abakutureba tube twesire meya wantunga mu municipal omukuru Jacob Kafureka konka tiyabasa kwija ahabwa inshonga eze nkomuntu chairman ntaka garikira town clerk because wataka herizi hari ibiragiro bibiri tinkwishwa ka na kuchinje ekimwe cya physical planning act ibiragiro bigambo kuba abantu bashimye kutura umutawone betaha konka abantu bije bayombeka kubi abantu bajya stage za boda boda abembeze baro town clerk ariho kawa ariho tingmanyisa baha uhangari yone abantu bayombeka baheza bazaho nango umuntu akashashwana sente zo kumbeka izo kweteza plan ubundi plan tabaje muhako nkaba kabaro bamutayira now okwenda kwiziri mwakwato gumuntu yaba victim mwaba no mwafubera bari abembeza babiyamera mu mugwabo tumwabagambaho ni integateko mu government umuntu mbabasa kumufubera ahawe ki yakora atashimiye gukora nari ki bashimiye gukora akabara kushikora omission na commission abanyarwanda tumurababerirana fair chairman
wewe bari munonga Bowazi mene cyo kubanza cyabyona ikinyenda mbekiriya kandi no muntu wena uriyo nandeba kimanye haharo hihange ry'inamateka marungi ni Uganda ninyesiga ngo omu East Africa Eastern Central Uganda ni inamateka marungi munonga
uyalota yigazi
konka ikizubu kitwagizire amateka turagatire mu ngora ahabwe nshonga zitarazimwe nagira ki zimwe nazimwe mwene hatobwire nubwo ubwiro bushikire abayida were miteri Uganda ne yine namateka agokurana jateri atarajana nitambura na Beni chairman wa LC Ejimani wo chairman wanja so turani nitambura nawo ito kuja kumanya ngo Uganda yine namateka kandi yine naba chairman LC1 village council leaders nabo bine cabinet hata bakaba rumwenda hata babikomino wakireba so mwinzi wanjye manisa ngo Uganda amateka garo mwene mbintu byone bitusheme ku bantu korata nkihanga reka amateka tugateka umunjira ki umunkora ejo cyo kizubu ekitwine kabagira ki nkabanya Uganda parliament ne passing ebiragiro bya buri muringo no watch passing na yahika kunu yatakushomesa muntu ninyesiga no kucumanya takucumanya ngenda ngukigambeje nimwe bamemba ba parliament amwana munde aba mwaheza kupasinga amateka mwije mugashomesa abantu bagetegereza ninyenda kubuza hati naenda sampling ujuyete abantu bamemba ba parliament for the last 15 years amateka guba passingire yaba bagamanya yaba aragashomesa z'abantu baburijo ba the answer emyaka 15 amateka parliament age passingire ni mingi actually almost burumwaka president yana akora state of nation address ari kuzagamba ari kuzakwigura parliament najya tunza kupasinga iki ba ntuza kwija kore iki tuteke mweki ebintu 18 kwika bintu 3 na bingayi kwika bintu 3 na 2 so waza kubara emyaka 15 waba rari 18 times emirundi 15 wakireba so agamateka ni mingi gona garinka garya noha umunya Uganda orugamanya
orahurire MP ya za radio yashomisa tibire jine kwa tari iki niki nico nobuza
nico niyo nimbuza so amateka gutwine ni mingi no kumarana gajara gata by the way sheme kubanza tu implementing gutwine tubone kuteka hamajara ki agane so hatebera jirebe nibyo tukwenda ngo agamateka gutwine gona hatu twije tugashomesa bagira ki abantu DC aije arutwata twajya muri physical planning act tugishomese abantu bagera bata bagetegereza nyo ninyesiga ngo actually kurugeri izoba nyenda ngo hatunanye oriyo nandeba no wakubanonda kombeka enju yawe no bucyako bekiyungu otari mutawuno kanso oriyo mu cyaro ecyakaregeya etari mutawuni kanso oryo mu cyaro ecyarwa barata ahunda bere nkashanga abantu hati nyenda kuta y'umuhanda tine ho gurabye abo kuba abantu bombekere bacyaretse nko mu ruguto wakireba okuyona ebyo byona abantu bona basheme kubana baza kombeka neza na no mu cyaro asheme kubaza nashaborsa nkahi ahagomborra abuko twine hatabemuruka tubini so bashimiye kubanza babarambura yayoruka nejo yashimiye kuba nagira ki najombeka ebyo ni so atanga kubugamba ciro nandiyo ningambira ha beno bunanyine twaka hakatareke bitoke tware umuntu yombekere twagaruka twareba cyanju kuri yahiguru abantu bombekere amajugaru residential mingi amizi agakwija kurwayo hagwe imvura yeshahishatu epemereje kurunja munonga etaho niyantunga muyona negenda bahereze kugera ki bahereze kukireba nawaza kureba nyine hata nakakingora wetland nko kweri tawuno karaka ryaha nawe nakima namanya ngo hagwe imvura iyo kurenga 2 hours this town is debetagizire ki nebetaro so hata ibintu by'ebintu ebitukwenda hata abantu batanike kwega hata nanabo na trade order na yeka tuyamba aho kubenje imvura yija nanabayo baraho abo bona bagira bata nabagenda completely kikabaho mbara one time I think 11-12 years ago ubukacheka yagenda hakafa abantu mushanzu bona batwarwa mizi na ne hoteli yaberye hoteli yamane rwetwa nguni yes Louise Arch na yekagiraki nakagenderamo so these are the things that kugira ngo hati tutandike tuze ahamageraki ahamateka tutakorire hamateka nyenda kugambira Boaz omutebekana za program we are doomed aboko bahata abantu batungire sente bahinga omwana bahinga entoke because tubashomisa ebyo byo kushomesa obyo bwiga we are okay tubashomesa konka hata tubashomesa obaza kore kintu bakachikora rumbutamanya then nabwanye sente zabo zikafa zitwaki now this is the right time
okay
itwe abebembezi imwe abantu ba TV aboko hati nimwe misho gitu nimwe ndeberwa mu yitu na nabandi bona abantu civil society organizations na nabandi kurango hatu watandika kushomesa abantu twaba sensitizinga bamanya amateka nare hano buza kawo akigambo cya trade order kujya mu hateje abantu bazagaruka mwe nyo mwebembezi kambagambe hate ikintu kisanja no more sleep sanja hakuna kurara hat president yanagambe cyo tishaka ngo nagamba corruption eje yabebembeza na naba nimwe nabagambera na ati ningambera abahanzi nimwe abahigura umugere muta mwehurire hate giturede order tekigaruka nkahi tekigaruka nyuma hati bagitireho town karaka owegomborra omuruka town agent na nabandi nabaza kujimplementinga mpaka egizireki ebireho so atuburyo muntu rabe nayenda kushaba atekere nyenda kukigamba abako hati nyo nagamba nko mwebembeze ebyo byobeno jyo tinyo kantu gire enforcement officer nyombeke curo kamurebe mu nyombeke curo hatebyo mubjire muta mubireke hata muyije muzo wa town karaka ahi omutawun council nango mu municipality nanga omusite otware plan yawe baja proving bamanye naho kuza kugera ki na naho kuza kobeka so that bakorekere aho kanji nkiza kunsasa hata nacyo kankigambe mwabihurire Kampala nito kuna nibuza kufikayo kubuyombekere kizimbe cyawo rugogoma umukasheshe ukatunga eviction order bakakitera hansi ubwo watera mu billion muyengera ki yesente inyonye ndamu kigamba mutija kujya gucurra hande hata mucurre ahari umucunguzi Samuel rwacu go mugera ki umutokozi ebizimbe bimwe bingi umatahuni nibinsasa na mahoteli garugogoma nigaza kugera gata nigaza kugenda icyo nyenda mu kigambere oba ninkahi obora umutabano woha obora umukoha
ikiriyo kije tumundu
ikanshata ncocho mayate kintu cyoki ejo nco bakwita kisanje hakuna kugera ki hakuna kurara
ikiri kuje tumundu
genshi ncocho so hatu mutwenda let me tell you ko kuba ryaho hora abantu radio nko kuza Rwanda yombekereje manyabiha hati no kugira ngo bakagendera hakigera ki ahakiragiro tinkwenda kushereka Kigali tebonire kwita Kampala urukwenda kwetegereza yatwahika ati ngendo maya Kampala mbe mutakugireba ahoko hide bire bigikingiri mbarara mbe mutakugireba hinebe bigire bita bigikingiri konka hati twazo mu buteka deba nyenda kugamba ati kazo mutahuni aho kati meya waha no munywani wanje ntutayayirana waha nyuma ha munywani wanje nyonkaronda icyo ngicyagira kita except ubugera ki ubuyonjo nano kugira ngo urucyo mucyo nakiri umbugira ki kiri mu buteka bwacu hati tawuno karaka ni nsima tawuno karako none mu byaje mbigambiraho aho na meya yangira ngo ngusime ngo aho yizire ngo ibintu hinduireho wacereba so hata no hari abantu bakusajya ngo konka at least ntacara ngo kwabera hagizire hata ngo kwabera hari so mwene hata ibintu bitusheme ku bantu kora tugendere ahamagera ki ahamateka bagira ngo ugu no muhanda gwebigere bo muhanda gwebigera ki
gwebigere
pikitagira ki
bitaraba
konka ikizo biki kuba twine hata nora bakugira ngo no muhanda no wanu we uza kuroreba kandi ora buryo mu hatebyo ejo niyo ejibana bagamba okujara ki okujabajabira so buryo mucyo na cyagendera umuteka byacyo bagira ngo no muhanda gwebigere ugu no muhanda gwa piki ugu no muhanda gwa motoka wakireba no hwaho na garaji tarukutayo shanduko tare kugerage ebyo byona twaheza kutereza ebyo Ugandeji neza kuba one of the best by the way neza kuja kuba amatahunu gona neza kuja kuba nkakayiro aho kandi ndeba nyone turagamba zindi tahuni neza kuja kuba nkagera ki nkakayiro aho kanora ko kwikaho orabura kimwe cyo nakiri zone kikuri etahunu zona nabyakuba byaro byito no bwako banoza kombeka icoronyo bakoreka ukoresheje kuba nugira ki no combeka wanoza no kombeka bayida hatebemiruka kawo turiya tuganira atabemiruka bayi no kutayayira ebyaro byitwa turaheze kuba ruri kurutinga next to ne kandi cyo kanchigambira next month kutandukana kibanza ni nyenda kuri abemiruka barinka bemiruka yira bakutayayira ebyaro bakurebe byungu by'abantu kubyombekeye bakora ubutandaro bakureba toilet bakora buri kimwe cona bakora ubuhanda bukutaho makagabantu kurebeka ngo ubuzumazima twagera order na no makagitu no mbyaro byitu koranga buri kimwe cona cyagendera umuteka bwacu.
Thank you. Yabare Chairman Sam watwereza ukushobora kurengwa kandi ukurunje umunonga nengera uhecane cyango Town Clerk abantu abakuza ku ikinyo kanje to kuteganisa kuza kubiha ibemba korora za kushenya amajugabo mukabaho ubwire buri kwingana ki buri bukamamanyisa ngo umuntu nabasa kubayine ki ahi yatebekanisa harazi narimwe mukamuri akwirukanga no kuragira kwa government ya Kampala mu Meteo Trade Order where you consider it.
Okay, thank you very much, moderator. Like Kawi indicated, the directive came around February, and for us, late February and early March, we were doing consultations. The executive, the council, and we were also engaging the various groups operating in the town. We had a number of talk shows where we would allow the listeners to call in and seek for clarification, which we provided. Then around the 10th, 14th of March, we issued a notice, and it was a 2 weeks notice. That notice was circulated all over. But we didn't stop there. We had a running program between 15th March up to sometime in April, communicating what we intend to do and how we shall do it. And we even had an opportunity to move around, talk to the people whom we thought would be affected, and sometimes we would even put marks on some of the structures which we never which we thought would be removed. So until 1st of April, that's when we effected the actual enforcement of this order, or the trade order. But I want to thank the people of Ntungamo Municipal Council. They actually responded positively because...
Did they have a choice, sir?
Yes, they responded positively. And most of them voluntarily
They understood
the
necessity.
Those who were on the streets came to us and said, where do we go? We directed them on where to go, and so many others. So, up to now, we still continue to enforce. We still move around, usually in the evenings and afternoons. Last week we noted again vendors had come from the refugee camps. Others were Congolese, others were Rwandese. Over 20 of them, they were moving around. We again mounted an operation. We got them. We took them to the market and said, if you want to do business and you are vendors, the market has space. You can find space in the central market. You can find space on Vanyaji Road, because that's where we allow people to trade freely on that street. We don't demand for licenses from many of those businesses along that street. We tell them, if you feel like you want to trade today, you have what to sell, come sell, and then you go. So all those are just alternatives. Instead of you walking from village to village, street to street, we have a street which we have gazetted. And by the way, when we're even doing our trade order enforcements, that street we left it for a purpose. All those from other areas go to that street, you are free to trade. Even in Kampala city, there is a Sunday. There is that street which there are streets which are closed on a specific Sunday to allow everyone who wants to sell anything to come and sell. Those streets were established by the former executive director, and up to now they are still there. So likewise, we also have that street. So that's what we were able to do in terms of communication and engagement, and up to now, we still do it. There are even some businesses which requested for time. We gave them time. We even tell them, how soon do you want us to come and remove you? He says, give me 1 month. Like there was a very big metal fabrication workshop down here, next to the Holy Innocents health facility here. Yes. We went to him, he said, no, allow me 2 months. I have a contract which I have to first deliver for the UPDF engineering brigade. We allowed him. After 2 months, we didn't even go there. He voluntarily left the place. So we have been engaging the community, and we shall continue to engage them.
Yobare, Bwana Town Clerk, turi on program yetu iraka hano ya Tayari West, kandi tunabemeza bantungamo bantuganira aha trade order oku bagitwarize nana uko abantu bari mbene twaza kuhumura mukace nzagarakana icyuke kindi nabo tunabembezi tukine n'ubundi bwire kandi n'abantu bantungamo bataka nabo mbakugere babuza bakubuza bembezi babo nabo nza kubaho umugisha bari hano ituri twatayira kimwe umukanso ya district ya Ntungamo ababushenye bakabagita Nyaruju timanye y'abantungamo bagita ki kunkabine kanso mpango munonga nungi munonga no twashitama irizoba okutunga ikiganiro iki katugaruke bwanyuma ubutumwa.
And that's it for today. Till the next episode.
Like a daily bando, like a daily bando, like a daily bando. Omuliro nguwulira muli mu mutima gukankana like drums. Kalakata, kalakata, enendungu yakusabula. Mikono juu, free of fire, free of fire, free of fire.
Bonga na Tayari West. Orutaya yorwa bonga na Tayari West hamwe na MTN Free Your Fire hati rwashuma murembi ibanda ego abantu beibanda tulyasiba ni mwaho mukatareka Ibanda Town kibanza cyo kwa mnano mwakogu enama yahweire obwo rwehangurira ebichoncho nyamwingi kurwamu MTN Wonders hamwe na Tayari West. Deru omwabazio turagara muri Amnesia Club tweyongera kukuchamura n'aba DJ n'aba MC bamani abarakushemeze obwe twinira abashongozi bamani abebembirwe Truth 256
obungo bunkokozesa nyawe tembu chokora nawawe kaba kapita konko kabutokoza nahofatwa kujigaza navasinasiye
MC Lithan mukuru w'ecyanga
mwena mujulengo aro pleasure being here mukuru w'ecyanga Lithan MC. My brother Phantom DJ all the way from Tayari. What's Stevie Muriche?
hamwe n'abashongozi kurwa mu Kingdom Music bebembirwe Kabaka Saimo ebyona nibikureterwa MTN Free Your Fire Wonders Beauty Products hamwe na Tayari West iraka ryaitu.
Tayari West iraka ryetu twakwakira abwicweke kindi echa program yetu iraka omushuga nsaba program ndi Boaz tumwesije twatayira abanyantungamo turi ntungamo henyini omusero namba mwenda na chairman uri siwanu tumwina omuwodi yoketa Central Ward division ya Western municipal ya ntungamo district ya ntungamo ejini mporo ninjira abanyankore bakururimo mbeno tushemerirwe tutayise abembezi bantungamo nari mbo batayisa nari twena twatayirana chairman bantungamo omwamisa muchunguzi wa Kigoba Sarongo kao omukuru Fidelis Kiza hamwe na town clerk wantunga municipal omukuru Mukobi Silvali mbere abantu bantungamo nabo twatubino mukiganire cyo muhoro kazohoro yantungamo bantu yenda bagire babuza zakohereza umugisha abantu baki omunoza kwimuka uzamuzinda rogu tugambe izina lyawe tugambe naho rukuruga n'ikiguzo cyawe nari icyo kwenda gama ombadekika bubiri mbeno tandike no unstoppable public
gutuka umustoping ubwo
kandi already hari unstoppable
bari munonga leta Tayari West bari munonga nitobanyantuga mu kutuhereza ka chance tukabasa abantu zo mwishengerere kandi twaje bitwahanuraho nende bitwayongera kwegamo amazina ndi yakanyushika Junior ingashaka kumanyanka MC Respect Transporter arembo rwantungamo kandi ni nkora nko wa publicity hawa ntungamo district boda boda kandi ngarakamba chairman wa boda boda hawa omurubera boda boda stage enda kusima munonga bwana chairman wetu LC5 umutokozi abo buhereza burungi oboresere omu district kuga utandika district ejimpa kurge aho ushikire mu mbwena kira kaci akobe wamaramu so fani mbaza no kusima kubanga akira kaca ko maziremu abana bamwe binji bafundemerumu twazarurengo rwantunga mu district ico ncumanyisa ngo okijane nkoransya kandi ukahinduramwe abana bawe bazambendemera umushangana baramwe bituga emirimo bura tukuresa abantu abaherso ninkusimire cyo mpaho bari munonga twazaho baturi aha trade order batushobora kurunje munonga okutuko enshonga ya trade order okuyizere onkana ashanga ngo bumwe haramu echo bayesere okutyo obano kutyo boredembe yo muntu mbweno akubanga it's like twinonka abagenzi bitu ababire bari aha stage yemeneke a stage yemeneke bakabamba ronderaho rwigana kandi na buryo muke banando muneke amanyata nare abahondu kuza kabare nara bahari a stage area ninza kuza bumfu no muneke so aho mpo bakaba bino offices ezabaye babambe yamberamu kurge myaka yo nebaye batwire kongime nka trade order kumuyizire tumurabanze kubanza kutebekanisa z'abantu abo ahi baraze no kubaraye yambe hati nchifune munga challenge wanu utambura street ejo mpaho ya Merama Hills noza jiroti ucibana utambura ku rujwe nguto ushanga zuri mu rujwe nguto ahabwenshi nchibanza mutumurabo tebekanisize hubara tebekanisize abantu babo abarebize kubahagera no futeke ibintu byabo okwifejo aho imwe abatire no kwendera twinoho challenge mpango ahabwe motoka eze kuruga kitwe zikwije kandi umureno no mukona no kuba mukona so at least mukana mukufuna umwanya gura gazette muhango imwe abateka kugira ngo beshanjireho abanga hari ntufuna accident nyingi kusinga ahimwe ahungize ngo bafa munakamagano kandi ahimwe abateka umurufu we bari munonga moderator reka nkize nabandi batise
Tayari West amazina ni banyeta Muhanja Asumani kandi niyo mutuze wantunga municipality kandi wasa kunyeta activist nchira kurwanira ubugabe bw'abantu mwebare kutebekanisa abebembezi bitu kawo chairman na town clerk nyowe niza kufocusinga munonga ari ntunga municipal council town clerk one for about 15 years, Mr. Town Clerk, the issue of fixing Central Market has turned into a national anthem. When do you intend to have that market built for the good of our population? Abakuba, submission is there is where you stated that you got places to try and help these people get new homes to run businesses, but that's not true. Okabatai, because Ntungamo municipality we have only one market, which is Central Market. Iyo yonkembere yerumu, it is really in a very bad state where you can't even do business. Then secondly, I would like to draw your attention to containers that remain standing in the middle of Ntunga municipality. Meaning, whatever you were doing, some element of being discriminative. Aho bakweta ife sky blue ningashi aha sweet mat, ifo haro container, people are there operating. There is a container waraba hari Banyaji Road, aho rwagataho inyuma ya Jakajex Mall. There is a container. There is a container behind was a Tadembe Rogers. There's a container there. And Mr. Town Clerk, na container zizimwa jirizoku Homo Town, they have remained stagnant in the entire municipality. Hati nyonka ronda, nechi general achanyu chajira chita chabura. Because these containers, omwaka sindikati eyiraho kache, imwe muyihama bati esigarankahi, esigaro mwanya. So that's an issue you should look at. Then lastly, as you put trade order, you as Ntunga Municipal Council, you should also put yourselves in order. You cannot have a town that is too bad in terms of sanitation. We've been on Tayari West before and on other media houses for bad news. sanitation has been a problem. Before you came in, the people you found here had sold skips, garbage skips. They sold them and we cannot even trace a single one. And that's the reason as to why this town will always have issues to do with sanitation. Thank you.
Uriyo mshija Rumanzi ntendana Edward nabwe zakweshingereza producer tuongera
amazina akankwasa Beni chairman wa 09 Muko Ward Western Division Ntunga Municipality. Ninyenda kusima ahabwa trade order eyabireho ahabwo kuba etahuni hateriyo mbuteka konka arho challenges nazo Esther muntu bonam na ninyenda kubuzaho omukuru town clerk arho nkabantu abumwatire ife nindeba nemerimo nebakwata elimunegera ngo n'umwanya gwa nema tubashemerere kuba bariyo okuba hariho barigire kutwara bakatwara motoka ye obwa hati tugihire mbarara tinkumanya mucinire program ki kureba ngo abantu umwanya gumwabaherize bagerayo businje kandi echa kabiri toyineho nandumuni ntambura muna chairman LC5 omutokozi hariho mfureje ogukuraba aha kataye kebitoke gurukushumya ya mizi ntureba mizago nageja kutegana saho abantu abari side yifokwe omfureje ogwe gapimwa konka ntureba tugukorwa mweno mukuru town karaka omfureje ogwe tugwinire program ki kureba ngwakorwa abantu abo tubatwarwa mizi nangu na offices ezife nomanya zikarga kutwarwa hamizi nka offices ya first lady nangu na president ejo office katwarwa mizi konka ntureba program ejo tekabireho iyo kukora umwanya ogwe mwenu twabantu shaba kugira ngo abantu abo baplaningirwe babase kukorerwa emyanya ejo kibaretere okuturage mwe bari munonga
abakubuzanisha bamugirere dekikanche kugira ngo twatobwire so twasigaza yo na habro ngo tongeraho umwami ogo so twasigaza abantu bashatu bonga
yabare moderator abo kutrustinga kandi na leaders abo wa hostinga izina na Athani Musima kandi urukwebe mbere mnyeto agwantunga mu development forum kandi urukwebe mbera nkas general secretary habwa ntungamo small scale industry omarama wagurya trade order cause nito tukaba affected ngaba makanika na welders municipality umanyo gwe atutiremu ningashi bakatushenyura bakabataka tworeketingire umanyo guturazemu abamwe honorable yona yabahereza umwanya gwa NFA ija yayeturumukagwa twirukanga twazo mu politics gabantu twagira mu politics gabantu nabo baturege sente zo kupanyisa umwanya oshanga ngo umwanya noza kupanyisa umwanya n'ikisharara wakushuka sino track bagishashure mitwara 25 kushanga ka business ka ukona wazakaria no shikita komporoti yabandi hatariyo kozi abamwe tukaluzinga businesses nka yuse yindi kwebembera abakaba mbasika chapati abamwe barukwira amhand so tubine chokora hati kandi nshonge ndijo nezo wa town clerk witu wa municipality tukahandike bara turukwetombuitwa twaje tom office yawe chairman LC5 katunga copy sulu RDC yabona copy konka okwetombuita kwitu tumala kugarikiremo kandi kinde kingunda kunza town clerk witu wa municipality twine ba town clerk ba divisions konka bakuretingire street sezindi ezirumba makana kabaro kukorera ombukuwo kandi ntwenda kubuza enforcement eyimuru kushashura mishashure yaki
mwebare munonga katuhure ebaratugaratu
amperezi then Edward then niyo rashembe tujoro mugufu
mwebare munonga ndi Perez Rumanzi kurugira explanation yabebembeza nitureba ngo capacity bagine necyo korana bakimanye konka sometimes biri kutera hansi local governments tibiyaba abituriyo ntugamba nabo ba chairman ba town clerk bakawo nangwa na hati baramu yari twahaba mwe nibiruka abo kuba umwami Bowazi nienda ngambere challenge ya continuity ni mpango munonga bire twagira ngo government focus ya on trade order twaba turi aho ija minister muska wa local government yazo mu bindi all of a sudden tokamanya na trade order heji regesha ekyakabiri bana Bowazi tino kor kubasa ku implementing a trade order otine sente abashija aba ni ba collecting sente yone bari collecting za Kampala tino ine na shiringi na 10 nangwa ngusigara district babanza batera nankeji bazo mu nankeji bacheze mu okwezi kwena ba collectingire rero bafukamera ba Kampala basebo mutwe wa kasente tukorese tibine nazo kuyora kasasiro nekivera kimwe umutawuni batazini babatakashabire Kampala sente. You can imagine the whole town kraka na shoroza sente zona za Kampala ushango mu ofisiye takagurira nakashupa kamizi. This is a very serious policy matter erikutekwa kuba address twaza ku addressing trade order ekyakashatu trade order tekubasa kuba implemented tutine physical planning policy eri implemented inenga mbere abantu abarugire a streets aba small businesses taina hari kubasa kupanyiso mutawuni ya Ntungamo ahubwo ko byombe ko biri mu byona biri upscale bari kubasa kupangisa umuntu uri kusika chapati taine hara base kutemudara gwa kasika chapati okamushanga nangwa netawuni ya Ntungamo twabire ntujyango buri division kabire ine se nanka dire market konka twine dire market emwe and that dire market ko kuzamu sincere necho kurya tukakibonamo and finally abebembezi bitu ba local government nibakora umurimo muhango munonga but central government ino kwegarukamu eketereza probably Museveni yarugireho tinkamanye.
Thank you. Edward Perez nacho yachigamba
bari munonga modereta wito murunje mwami Bowazi nyenda kusima bembezi bita bija pano kandi n'abaturage bantungamo kandi ukwebaza tayara bwo kutereza chance yo kugeraho kiganire iki umwami Bowazi nabo kutureba yoni nyenda kubanza really ngire ngo trade order ngisime ngure kintu cyurunje munonga twino kubanza twacha appreciating first of all trade order yoni tugenda muri Ntungamo ningo muhangariye tuninga tukugenda echa kabiri tushemeye kubantu tukora ki batahe banje babigambo konkanyo we sore tena yanjura ndimanyita natamba Edward Sarongo kandi ninkora nka senior assistant secretary w'Gombora ya Rutuntu konka na marehe myeze 2 konka ekina ni appreciating ngira trade order no kugira ngo kurugamande tubentura bamutukushaba karo ku revenue omaduka gito mugombora zitu onko mugombora yanje nimbasa kwese cyo kuzarebera konka bwa trade order yabireho no shanga kitakubera munonga kuguma munonga waba nogera umuntu ine business utaza government ororguto rwe gukora nerukoro mushoro gwo kugihereza hazo gwo muntu arete mitware 2 oshanga because umwamperezi yanagamba central government ejo system uriho kurundana umushoro kureba ngo gwazo mu consolidated fund then bagarraho some percentage local governments which wouldn't be bad kogere ngo sente nizigaruko mu bwi konka kuya trade order nebaho nindeba ngo businesses eziruho ezikiri organized because kutugamba trade order shangwe iri municipality mwonka pana na no town council zino magombora gitu ntugamba ngo illegal structures ezitari mu order zishimye kwaniza rugaho haza ningira ngo twagumara ineje especially twegesa abanya Uganda ninga abanyantunga mu bitu kubegesa advantages ziri mu trade order niki kutakugira ngo twababinga anyhow ningira ngo baza ku appreciatinga ahubwo kubecona twino kwikiriza ngo kikiro kwikiriza vision 2040 akwa twatabikoze rebe mazima tukabaza kusekiroto cya Uganda yona mwe bari munonga
mubuza wa muheru no mu myogo ombugufu munonga yudakike mu ishaza twatatu cyenda kwenda
kike mushika yahwire ndi mwese gwa kuri space mwese je kandi ndi kansara wa district wa Rubare town council kandi ndi kuteka ngo ikashenyagurwa munonga konke cyabire kikire abo kuba kwiha bagikwatamu ruyare ate nabazirenje zukurenga bizimbe bikurenga 20 ebigire ahamyanye je yagizire ki yashenyurwe mbonje manisangu ikindi kugambira abantu no kugira ngo wabano wende kintu cyurungi cyona nubanza wacu tutukira nomanya bwo bwira abantu bitu mukateganamu abo kwa bamwe no mwe mutireho containers bamwe mukamurire twaroni mugire kutandika naho mwe abana nabaye batine mirumo na wabona kibona ka parish model miliyoni na watera hakaruka apu ashitama hatanka kora kasente nimanya ngo mukategana konkamwe abantu ureba hati Rubare especially nkai baroketingira abantu okwe aha muzigiti waza hakerezi ya Rubare waza aho rwagati ye town hati nindeba hebizimbe kapitano biriyo batiriho nakanyinaho central business nureba ngo Rubare yagira ki hateyegisirweho abuka nitu hatabarkwe n'amajuntu gira ki ntugabona mwe ni munchereze bampeda kike munsi y'imekawo na technical staff bawe abayegerezeho kwekama kureba ngo ba implementing a trade order yabetangu yabwa abantu imbere yibe barmu nana chairman mutokozi mwamisamu taro politician nomwe wa interfere ingere ki watambiri ikono trade order mwene twena twakorera hamwe konka ekindi kushaba kandi ekindi kwenda kushaba kawo hata nko mu Rubare hari abantu baronu bagaruka omumyanya ibabashinyireho abagaraji hati waza Rubare nore ngo barumune benda kugaraka kwe positioning itwagizire ki itwabihire so kawo take note gambere town karaka dene cyakabi no bya Rubare no butwakozire cyo twine site plan for the last 10 years mwe nshababe bembezi ba Rubare town council twatanise twena hamwe tugire site plan kugira ngo umuntu ubundi babana bombeka ati twombekere aha physical planning twombeke Rubare rukubasa kwija kuruga municipality nungi na site keze zindo kuziki kandi kino kugira ngo okiragiro twabantu tu implementing ekiragiro eco nitwata stakeholders twena n'aba parliament n'abandi hareke kubaho omugufu no mugiraki no muhango mwene abukano reba tuyosere nturebe biragiro nge president yawe yajya ngo abaryo mbisharira barugemo ukabushanga abagiga abantu abina kasente yaba nabwo kutugana ki ushanga baguma nkaye umushara rero bakwata katera budongo wanje kakata budongo wanje ababita baburizo bamwirukanze nko kugira ki mbone kiragiro kigume kikorwe kikwate mukuru mbone tu implementing ekiragiro retrospectively kutari kugira ngo kigarike nyuma ninga kikwato muto na no omugufu mbone cyo ninshaba mbone government nko kwe implementing trade order takusasirwa etine ko kusasa abuka kiragiro ne kigira ki mbone biragiro bize nahandi naba batari gonya utari kikere bargo mbisharara hatazeho na order eyo kutereze bisharara abukantu etagensi nungi erimo kugira ki nko kumare trade order yes tukajabirira mukonka eventually rete bigira ki rete birungi mwe n'abantu behangane hati nebiragiro nebindi bikore ngece cyane corruption eki barugara riyo nakora ikombyanga hona abantu mbakwate mubiruke abako muntu waburjo nahitaga ki nahitaga services bwe bari
nabo bantu butwayikiriza kubuza bwenshonga yakire ebuzo okukira munonga nebya town clerk na kaho town clerk first bamba kubuza particularly ebikwata municipal.
Okay, thank you very much, moderator. Yes, a number of issues have been raised and I take note of them. Some of them I will respond to them. Some of them are policy matters which need to be addressed by the municipal council as a council and also the central government. But I will make just a few comments on some of them. Yes, it is true some people were inconvenienced. That one, I don't disagree that people were not inconvenienced. People were inconvenienced. But as Chairperson said, they are what we call costs of growth. Any policy has costs. Those costs may not necessarily be borne by government, but they may also be borne by individuals. But if the objective is clear, at the end of the day, we all see light at the end of the tunnel. So, I agree people were inconvenienced, but we shall try as much as possible to ensure that we conveniently handle their issues. And every time they have come up, we have responded conveniently, not with an iron hand. That's why you find those old women who used to sell yellow bananas around Mirama Hills Junction, we said, no, you can go to the park. But we have also assured that no vehicle parks outside the park, because those were the clients of that other group. We took it to the park and we have assured that all vehicles and all buses must park in the park.
Okay.
So that these people still access their clients. I agree there are some whom we took on Merama Hills from that road. Yes, I agree. They are affected. But with time, we shall also get where to put them.
Okay.
We shall get where to put them. We are looking into it. The issues of fixing the central market, that one is a policy matter, because this market has a design which was fully financed by government. It was supposed to be constructed under the Markets and Agricultural Trade Improvement Project 3, MATIP. But I think because of issues here and there, government they said, let us first see the markets which we have opened, how they are progressing and how they are working. The reason you have seen in Mbarara, a minister comes there to ensure that people occupy the market fully, because the bank was having questions about occupancy of the markets that they had constructed earlier. But it is still on a plan. Recently, we also suggested that it can be constructed by MATIP, I mean by WICHMID, Uganda Cities and Municipal Infrastructure Development Program. But again, we have noted that the IPF given to Ntungamo Municipal Council is only not more than actually 7 billion. If we work better or if perform well, we can always benefit from the bonus, and that may not take us beyond 10 million. So now that money is for roads, street lighting, and all these other things, drainage and everything. So the park and the market are likely to remain, because all of them, the park and the market, they need 15 billion shillings. I have all the costs and all the designs. It is the same thing with the drainage channels. The drainage channels were also designed. We have all the designs and the costs per drainage channel, including that one we were talking about, beginning from the other side. I have the costs. I can even share them with you on my phone after here. I say these are the costs of what we need as a municipality. All those are designed, but government is thinking about them. Some containers which remained. Yes, for us, I have to be clear on this. We agreed when we were enforcing trade order that this street, that continuation of Wanyaji Street, we agreed that we should not go there as a council, because we knew that was the site where most people would just go. So, to assure you, that one, we never went there, we never reached there.
So it was deliberate?
It was deliberate. Okay. So it so happens that those two containers are also within that zone, so we did not go there, and it was by council policy. Don't go there, because all these people whom you are sending away from the streets, we expect them to take refuge around there. So first allow them continue. The issue of sanitation, that one is a very big problem, because I appreciate and agree. One, it is affected by the topography of this town. You know this town better than me. All of the water, as the district chairperson was submitting, all of the water from all these hills end up down there. So we had thought that if we worked on the taxi park, because there was a plan of raising it above all those roads, so that now we can easily pour water into the wetlands. But if it doesn't happen, then that means that problem will continue persisting. But otherwise, you cannot resolve it the way it is now unless you raise that place after raising it, so that water is able to flow down into the swamp. Otherwise, the level at which the taxi park is the same level of the swamp. So when the swamp is filled with water, then there is a backflow. So that one makes sanitation very difficult to manage. You cannot dig a pit of 2 meters deep. You will just bring out water. You are like opening up an oil well. You will just see water oozing out.
Okay.
So that has been the problem. The last one is the issue of the small scale industries. Yes, I agree. We also inconvenienced you. But you raised a number of issues, if not 3. One was about power. because we took you on Kangole Mukungu Road. Yes, those are private plots, the land ownership. We don't have land. So there was the issue of power, which we committed ourselves to work with the UEDCL so that they step up the power. That one we are following it up. The issue of access to land along that area, we agreed that our role is planning and allocation of land uses. The rest is that people who are the owners of that land now must comply with the plan which we have made. So we are talking to them, and my health inspector is always there, encouraging all those people to ensure that they provide sanitation facilities to their tenants, because now you people are their tenants. Then we had, of course, garage split down. Also, we are working with UEDCL to ensure that we step up the power. But the rest of the amenities like toilets and the like, the land owners are supposed to provide. And it is our responsibility now to talk to the land owners. Lastly, we are organizing a big meeting of all those who have land, undeveloped land. Because the challenge here has always been, people want to come and develop, but others discourage them and say, me, I have my building, it is not occupied. But I want to assure you, after a trade order, most of the buildings around town are occupied. And now we are organizing a roundtable meeting with the mayor. I will let you know, this one is my friend, I will let him know, so that we invite all those people who have vacant land in the municipality, especially on the high streets, to come and develop. Because without structures along these streets, the town still looks a trading center.
Okay.
Otherwise, those are the plans that we have. Thank you so much. Moderator, as a result of trade order, I see so many things having happened in the municipality. People are now compliant. Okay. You can talk to them and they listen to you, because now they know if government wants to act, it can act. Building plans, for us, actually, people are complying, because on a monthly basis, we receive over 20 applications for building permits, which usually not to happen. And so many others. If you walk on those streets, all the Kavala Road and all these other things, at least you walk and you are able to receive some fresh air, unlike the past. Thank you.
And your last word on the show? You appeal
to I appeal to the municipal community to continue supporting the authority, so that we make this place a city in the future.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you. Kao, ni uhine bakubuzaho?
We bari munonga mutebekanisa abwe program nungi ebyanje bya bitari bibuzo ebyingi nareba members ibintu bikirizana nitwe ababuza ninga baha comments ngo trade order nenungi kandi ekozere nyenda kusima report ya Garubare na nebizimbe ebi area councilor Honorable Crispus yagambe ebyombekerwe ahabwa trade order.
Okay.
So nyowe ecyanje no kutera umuranga abantu kugira ngo tureke kureba ibi byonka. Arho umuhandiki akagira ngo the only sure weapon against bad ideas is better ideas. Hata kizibu ekituye no mu Uganda abantu nibarebe ibi byonka tuba kureba percentage y'ebirungi. Hata bagamba ushangwe ibintu tubiterire ushangu turukubimunonga konkanyo we ahabwanje ningira ngo nabo kugira ngo abantu abako barije tubari kugamba.
Okay.
Ijo mbere nimbuza ecyara wanje tukatwinde kizibu cya pension aha abantu bafutere nduru bari kuboroga bakubanja nkashanga abantu igana 5 bamazire imyaka 3-4 batakatunga gratuite yabo twaye torora twabahandika naza Kampala twashaba sente bazutwa last month bona twabashashura nkashashura billioni 2 na miliyoni rushanvu hati tinkahuriro rwari tino watira sumu ukahura nagira ati mwe baraka sente nkatungire nano utkugira ngo leta accountability kwa kugireta aijana kapapura mpora akanaga office agenda hati kunkaba kaba kintu mu cyo kutekateka ngo bundi nibaza kumusha baka sente ki. So nore abantu kuba kubaje tabagamba nuno shangwe ibintu biriki mbwenu abanyantungamo nyondo kwendera no kubagambira ngo haro babana bajya ngo kusimuroye ugwijegiza orava gwijegira girata asimuki ahawo kwanga president okwatushabira Perez oku president atugambira ito nituza kukikora kandi ndebere ngo ekintu cyona nekikorwa namwe ne cyo kureberaho
hat cabinet eyishuinge circular letter number 1 ya 2026 on national cleaning days buru rwa mukaga urukereruka omukwezi nizoba ryihanga ryona okukora obuyonjo burungi bwanze kwerinda endwara kwerinda ebe twere mwana mugambi w'icyaman yanagamba so itwe ntungamo urwa katano twino rukiko n'abamagombora nabe mu rukabona kurugashaha 2 kushyashaha 5 buru rwa mukaga rukereruka okwezi buri kintu cyo neco yine umunyantungamo umunyayuganda uchikwasa hansi utandike kutereza na no cleaning umuganda kandi to ntungamo ntuzagutandikiraho aha rwa mukago ukwana twena ntungamo bageta first district egumera first district omuri buri kimwe cy'urungi ekituru kwanu twenda gukorera abantu kwe bari muno
kaboniza kongera dakikemo minister wa local government barambaro gahara akatamike huru yo koreka bakoisa kubisenge za government kuyora ba engineer ba DHO bahi baramuku yakora batahantunga mu kaho abakozi babo barije just kigarike mu ndakikemo
bo bari munonga itwe twire tumutegereze aha bwo kuba twina masuko ngo ekirungi itwakatwanutse kandi kuyatwire nutse ngantungamo yagamba nebyabire nahurura akabanza yagamba okugira ghosti pupils on the payroll itwe ntungamo tukakirininga aba head teachers na DO zababire babikora bari yo mukoti nubahoza so buri kwezi abashomesa head teachers nabatuhereza returns nyina masukungu ishomero tokora chapter ya chairman ekakora itwe katuyamba so minister yananda kwija na nyensakari itwe tururede kumwakira aije tumwereke birunje bitukozere ecya kabiri hati ekizibe kinde kiyagambireho necha okushanga abantu bakwinforetinge namba zabana mu mashomero bakatunga sente hati itwe district yantungamo omwako guhwire nyowe kunkuza kushashura capitation grant nimbanza naza yo nabare namba yabana hati nkashaza ya miliyoni rukaga twashagize ezezibabire niziferoko twagura desks z'amashomero buri desk erukutunga desks 18 buri shomero amashomero 38 twahunduza ishomero rya Nyamurindira twahunduza ishomero rya Ngoma twahunduza ishomero rya Kishami Mitoma twahunduza ishomero rya Rukoni ize sente zabintu ziburabura minister yija turede kumwereke vision
I saved 16 million from the 7 schools
and
I have used that money to install lightning arresters
under the same arrangement
on school
so niko kunagamba ebirungi tubyine ibyo kumwereka aije tumwakire tumurambuze nguto zitu atwereza amagezi okutura improving ntungamo ekagumira district number 1
chairman yo rashembe yo and ninyando kigite nabona neka trade order haroba chairman ba district abajangu baramu abeto mu rukiko banyicayi eventually ben kumanya bese bro bitano kwa mnana uburyo ombajangu abarinzireho
icyo kubanza cyabyona bijo bwona wanuza mu office insya nobanza wagetegereza uwo tagetegereza cyo kubanza nanye ubunabe ninja ndukuruga o media ndukuzo mu district
elective politics
immediately kunahereze kurahira I remember ngahandikira DC namugambire bintu nabe ni nyenda ndebe DC namweta nazo mu boardroom nabugana heads of department babanza bampa accountability nabaha format yanje inabe ni nyende bintu babimperemo nabanza nayetegereza how I should run the district district yantungamo nyenda ngumbanze nshomesa abantu district yantungamo ikaba eri omutamayiro kwihetandika baryo muvuyo na kansozi ryo muvuyo konka immediately kunahereze kwetegereze bizu byantungamo mazire myaka 5 kanseta kajaraga kavuyo kona nyoshi kandi ruhanga kabanza nayitegereza tinda tumire so the more the itwenda no muntu obire aryo murumo ya businessman na umuntu ekindi kuba muhire ministry yatandikira ministry ya youth. You see, hati ministry yariyo nazamu no ministry y'abantu abakuru, not generation Z. It is generation X. Ati ejo generation ne y'abantu abarengize myaka 20 kugarankahi kugarahigo. You first understand this. You see, kandi n'ikintu nakora n'abantu abakora nabo n'abashomere nkawe bine masters, bine postgraduate, others have got PhDs,
bine experience.
Exactly. So you need to first understand hatu waheza kwetegereza, then you start your work. Me hata kanchigambe tunamvuma tunakora kuchimo chona. If you are given authority, use it the way it is. Don't act like nanka angambire nkorechi, as if you are not a houseboy,
as if for a robot.
You use your authority. Hata noreba musasire kutukuza mu government ati kare kwaba haro MP agama shomera gutiriyo ntukoresaga MP akaija ati chamate nabahishomero rwicinoro nabahishomero abantu abakwetegereza nimwe abaryokwe abarwampara kinoni nabahingira ki bugamba nabahishomero bujaga nabahishomero ryakasinga nabahishomero kitagata nabahishomero. You see hata nora na kitamundi rukunjiri chamakanda nabahishomero, like that. People were using the authority tukugira ngo hatu nchoche cyo kuntu hatu mwaza kugira tugumanotera mama bebe tebikuija gukora mu Uganda egi. Use your authority nkikuba jukwire, then nabwanyuma hono accountability. Your excellency kuna hichirumu umurieki nakore neki konkati, it's as if it is excellency uri kumuha cyo kugera cyo gukora. What is he going to account bibaza kwika if he is assessed? So nyoni nyigira, I believe hato biyatweta tuaza kwika with dialogue, then turebe cyo kugera cyo gukora. One of mu district inebakama bayo. You come, you do inception meeting, you sit in the boardroom, you meet the cow, you meet the RDC, you meet the chairman, you meet the DISO. Mwena hatu ni ijomu hii nebi impuriri koka nani nyenda mbanzi ni mumunga mbere ukumutwe numujira muta numukora then nabwanyuma muyikirizana
chairman je nkorere convention oti yose reho eritire ibintu bitata
atareka ngambere
maybe ni
ati sometimes ati engamba yanje hatukangambe ko munyamakuru hakaroho minister wa economic monitoring yatandika yirukanga yatera ikigere yatera kuguru hacika taragumizemo abwenshi bamuhinduye bakamutwara handi nkatwara mu sports uko New York baso mwokatera jo mpira. You see, these are the things, let me tell you. Mate no program yitu yabanya Uganda itu tukureba history tukujireba numanya yirukanga yakoma yakora buri kimwe cyone. How comes bakamuyaho bareta nuguresa kero someone who was RDC, because RDC akana amanya ibintu kubyabene nibigera bita nibitambara kandi nakunuya akahikayo yayakira je bintu bye yazamu. That's the mupazi nubuto twine ba mupa twine baha abayo baremerwe kumarira emirimo yabo hata emirimo kagera ki twabihindura ebintu byazaho. So let me tell you, enkora eyokora tubugubugu
chairman rukwende
tubugubugu so no kwimukaje ukatamburaje necyo kubanza cyabyona hati nimba nindeba hati kanci gambeje abanya Uganda no bandeba bwonka ninza kureba ndeba wenka na minister we no batomerana hatogwa chaba yagira ati urogwije yamuhwe hurumu yamutamwe nankani hati already haba mo kutomera noko ekintu cyo tukikwija kugenda mu misho and me hati to kantungamo hati ntungamo nkija tini wabe namanyangu mucunguzi naza kwija kwebembera okusya nobwo bwiri abamwe bakambanya ngo emyaka 2 naba yakumbagire emyaka ari ogutaramare mwaka gumwe oguno wakisanja cyumwe ka Trump mukishatu kantikirya so let me tell you no eriyo nkora ayo kwija gukora ibintu bakagenda mumageraki omisho so ko kushanga hati nka local government okweri local government is local between me and you 80% of the monies is a local government nziguma Kampala itontutunga 20% hati service delivery rya hati cyo tashemeye kubanza yacimanya akamanya ngo sente hati zariyo natambuza nizishemeye kubanza zikuri irwaro icya kabiri ureba IGG yija ngo ayizire kwato mushuma ayibire miliyoni 20 miliyoni 10 miliyoni 5 yijana n'imotoka 16 na n'abasirikare na n'abantu bona bo mu IGG barya miliyoni 9 bizire kwato wa miliyoni 10 ejo ni accountability yihanga no let's watch out
chairman mchunguzo kwetegereza no yenda habeho kwetegereza yaba ntwitaga reforms zo mu local government ahiga puseze mwe nkuko
actually reforms let's start with the parliament because nora hati na nebizu byona hatu utakarebere Uganda ebizu byona ni jaraki na parliament let's start with parliament tubanze by reforming emanyengu nayo it is not eteri awuka yo niyo rukora budget egeta higuru then abande bajaraki hatu no hota chairman LC1 umutwaro gumwe then yukatwara miliyoni 9 hati chairman LC1 nwari yo nakore mirimo yawo ejo ne miliyoni mugamba nwari yo naza kujaraki nwabuza kugikora no juro to umuruka ukamuhe mitwaro 22 akatambura umuruka gona taine gari taine cyo kutamburamo yoka bakakwa miliyoni 12 zogura mutoka nayo takuzagarrayo so ebye bintu byona reka tandikira higuru to reforming then ihanga ryitugende jo misho minus that corruption mu Uganda tekwamo
chairman abanyantungamo abantu bamboro abantu bankore bona bahereza bigambye kusibura
so
trade order
mbe n'abanya Uganda
ahuru yo butabiyama ahuru yo kurwana so gushoma
mbe n'abanya Uganda trade order ejeizere kandi ne ejo hati nete kuja kurugaho konko bintu byona ebiturije ko bantu kora itonka abanya Uganda mureke tugende tukwatarama amateka gihanga konko turakora tarama amateka gihanga no tuyenda hatana nihanga naryo ryana leta ebintu babaho bwire then nabanye babaheza kubaho bwire naba bantu betegure omuntu narira karoni hatsamundira karoni na hatubaheza kunteresimu nyonyi n'umushara mbasho hatubugo kandi warira karoni kandi ibintu bye byagenzere mbone kikancenda ngo tubahemyeze mukaga betegure then nabo niyito nka kansozi zubenzo rondaho kugira ki aho kubata no rebe giturede order neryo mukanso tine hand term industry terinkai eryo mu local government actually hat local government eri affect to security haba abantu kubagenzere nyore ko kuba no tora chamate boaz no kugira ngo hati tutemerehe ibintu abana bakwata bafutere mbadiya ko kuba no tora aha omuribira
mbadiya niki mbadiya niki
nubakunuga ko kuba no tora ko kuba warenga aha district no tora omuribiri abana bagira bata nabakurega ko kuba no tora kahunga nahandi hona by the binahandi no bakubambara nahandi so hati no reba nikirungi konka hine bikizire ki ebikizire naco abuko mwana nayendo kubaho mbwe ndatu means now hati government mubanze turebe security tunyweze security na naba bantu nabo mbwesho babarigire South Africa katubahire sako ya billioni 2 kanza kubateka mu billioni 2 za sako
abantu
10 mbwena naba tutobarondera kantu umu budget ejitu eri kuza kwija
nabo babahira na training ya cyankwanzi
bakabana training nabo aba tukagera afuto abarondera bakaba rehabilitated then at least tukajya mu mugaruko mu cyaro muze kwingo mugeraki muze kwingo mwani umwaka gumwe amyezi 18 umwana ugija kwa hagireho ngunembera na habire hembera ni mu mugera muta ni mu mutandikiraho so mwe no mbintu byo ndebinani ngamba aba bantu ababiri so much affected nabo babateremu baketa babateremu hino abo bagigo kuba kubagererana baketaka
incentive
ino ko bailing them out. These people also should be what? Should be bailed out. Hata at least ni hanga tuna to balancing. Hata nora hati waza minzani wala minzani yone yagumanegirete wakireba hati hanganiriza kumaniriza kugera ki ngija kwija kubaje. So ekyo nico kinte kinani nyenda. We also see how we can bail them out. Nanga tukagera kutwabakwatiraho bakagaruka cyaro bakaza kwatengera ki bakaza kwatefuka. Abinji no banje bakabuguza umwe bajya mukatu zo mutahunu tuze kugera ki tuze kuyiye. Konko umwe konko kuba yine hakabanje. Bamu registering agarke yaze kugera ki aze kweyiya aze kuhinga umwana hata ngenda buryo muwena aze kuhinga umwani kurebeka ngo hata akabeyi karohoka karije kurunja umunonga then nabo bagira icyango ecyo bagera ki ecyo babona nebyo kambe ndezo okurara kurunji kandi insima tayari TV mwebare kwija omurintungamo mukahangare nkomushoro ba producer bona Boazi na nabantu bona nabakama bayo na nabantu batureba ecyo kirungi
yabara munonga chairman Sam abakutureba erizoba twaturi ntungamo o municipal twantugane nabembezi bayo town clerk twaganiye nawe omukuru Servario Kao omukuru Chiza twaganiye nawe hamwe na LC5 chairperson mwami mchungu Samu wa Kigoba na nabataka bahebitekateko byabo nko kumwabareba twantuganira trade order kunkaza twakwataho n'inshonga iyo kurwanisa obushomankuzi omuncure gitara mu kubyama itara mu bushomankuzi so ntwenda kwebaza abatureba and ntwenda kwebaza camera persons bitu ntwenda kwebaza producer witu Matinebye na head wa production umwami Moses Rutembe wa twagenda nawe abantu kamwe mwebare kutereza council nungi spacious enough kashakarwa jeri yahiguru tari mpita so abayombekirije nabo mubebazi and count wenda kwebaza ukucungura miliyoni rukaga izabenzerebera abana bataka buhoga kandi ukazitamba so yukozera umurimo ubwo abakozi ba government abingi batakukora abandi babita evil servants iyo barobutaba evil servant tabona karakani yore kucungura miliyoni 16 aha level ya municipality niwe ukashungura nyingi so niwe ukachitera yebare mnonga tukabasa kubebaza ukuhinguraho kureka mwamuri yabare barongi tuongereho rwakana urukwija mwari kurungi